In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay with Xbox and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Crossplaying between Xbox and PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. However, you need to ensure that the specific game that you want to play supports crossplay. Most modern titles nowadays, especially multiplayer competitive ones, will support crossplay between consoles. So an example would be Call of Duty. Now, if a game supports crossplay, then usually it is going to be enabled by default. Sometimes you might have to go over to the settings and check to see if there is an option to toggle. If that option is toggled, you are basically good to go. Some games will have their own social services. So for example, if you are playing something from Ubisoft, you might have to add your friends to Ubisoft's friends list. And after that is done, then essentially you can invite them even if they are on different consoles. But most of the time, you will be able to add them inside of the game as well. If a specific game that you want to play does not support crossplay, then sadly, there is no workaround to this. Most of the time, it is up to the developers of a specific game to decide on whether or not they want to enable crossplay. So all that you have to do is check to see if a specific game is available on both PlayStation consoles and Xbox consoles, and if it is very likely that crossplay will be available for that title. You can go over to the settings and check to see if there is any options that you should enable, and after that is done, go over to your friends list and add your friends. Usually it is going to be through a custom ID that they can create. I apologize for not giving any specific examples, but because this is a very general approach, it should work for most titles. Like I said, you should do your own research based on the specific game that you and a friend want to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay with Xbox and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.